Green is not just a trend, but also a commitment to sustainable development. And Viglacera has turned the idea of environmental friendliness into an indispensable part of its mission. From carefully selected soft, smooth clay, mixed with water, and melted in glowing red fire, each Viglacera product is not only a combination of natural materials, but also a symbol of wonder and endless vitality, embodied in a spirit of passion and respect for the origin of each product. Starting at the Dinh Tree Porcelain Factory, the first sanitary porcelain products in Vietnam were successfully produced on Italian technology assembly lines. Over more than 50 years of development, Viglacera has continuously expanded with 5 factories meeting GMP standards spread across the country. With a capacity of over 2 million porcelain products and 500,000 faucet and fitting products per year, with more than 8,000 employees. Viglacera always focuses on investing in production lines, from carefully selecting raw materials to showcasing the artisan's creative and skillful craftsmanship, enhanced by advanced techniques, with a commitment to the implementation of cutting-edge technology. And developing green materials, we aim to bring satisfaction and trust to our customers. Hundreds of exquisite Viglacera product lines are shaped. Diverse in design, technology, and functionality, Viglacera products meet all the needs of all ages and customer segments. With a vision of sustainable development and the support of customers, Viglacera has built a system of 7 showrooms and thousands of distributors across Vietnam. Since 2002, Viglacera has strongly developed international markets, exporting to over 40 countries worldwide, and simultaneously being strategic partners with famous brands such as Panasonic, Geberit, Guy Auto Automation. To meet the increasing market demand, Viglacera has established professional operation and automation processes according to international standards. We opened 2 design centers in Italy and Vietnam, along with the collaboration of art director Nilo Gioacchini, a talented Italian designer with nearly 40 years of experience in sanitary design. In the laboratory, we have developed the exclusive IG+ ceramic technology with antibacterial capability of up to 89%, enhancing cleaning ability, resisting odor and mold. Besides, other exclusive technologies such as Max Vortex, Turbo Vortex, Rimless, etc. raise hygiene standards for Vietnamese people. Automated production and packaging lines help maximize labor productivity. Smart warehouse management optimizes storage time, reduce delivery time to customers. At Viglacera, product quality and customer trust are invaluable. We are willing to eliminate subpar products to ensure delivering the finest products to customers. Viglacera products satisfy not only the domestic market safety certification, but rather the meticulous ones such as Japan, the US, or the EU. Viglacera is honored to be among the top 30 leading sanitary ware manufacturers in the world, being the first sanitary porcelain manufacturer in Vietnam to win the A Design Award and competition, along with 15 other international awards such as Good Design Award, German Design Award 2022, etc., affirming its position among the top 50 most trusted brands in Vietnam. Pursuing the mission customer satisfaction is our success. Viglacera is always innovative and improving to bring quality products that meet all customer needs both domestically and internationally.